How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To scoot over. Maria is enjoying her day at the park by herself. Tony walks by her and notices her. He stops to talk to her. Hello there, miss. You look beautiful today. Oh, thank you. It's nice of you to say that. My name is Tony. Nice to meet you. I'm just walking through the park. Would you mind if I joined you? Well, actually, I'm on my way to a doctor's appointment. I don't think it's such a good idea. Give me a chance. Scoot over and let's talk. Just 5 minutes? Well, okay. I could wait 5 minutes. I'm Maria. Quiz time. What does scoot over mean? Drive a scooter? Stay with me. Move over. Would you like to go out with me? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. Move over. Phrasal verb secrets. Scoot is another word for move. It means almost the same thing. A scooter is something you use to move fast. Scoot over and move over are the same, but a little different. Move over sounds a little aggressive. Scoot is much friendlier. Over in this verb means a direction. In this case, it means next to or to the side. We can also see this meaning in the verbs move over, slide over, or roll over. Phrasal verb extras. Move over is aggressive, slide over is neutral, and scoot over is friendly. These verbs are all the same, but roll over is different. This is a trick a dog would do for fun. Over can also be interpreted as to the location. Come over means come to my location. Go over means go to that location. The same is for other verbs like drive, run, swim, and anything with movement. Examples. Could you scoot over a bit so I can sit down? Scoot over. I need to get in the car too. Please move over to the side of the road to let the ambulance pass. Sorry, I didn't realize I was taking up so much space. Let me scoot over and give you more room. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.